Hello, my beautiful queens. I'm super excited to tell you guys what I have in store. Not this Sunday, but the following Sunday will be my first online live class. I'm going to start doing hair classes and makeup classes online. I'm going to show you how to manage and maintain your natural hair if you're going from relaxed to natural, that transition phase. I'm going to show you what to do, how to take care of it, the proper products to use. Also, if you're getting into makeup, no matter if you want to be a makeup artist or you just want to learn a natural 10-minute beat, I'm going to teach you all of that. We're going to cover highlighting, contouring, all of that. So, I need you to join me. Go to my Facebook page, Touched by LaFone, and like it. That's the only place you're going to catch my live video. See you there.